So now that we're starting to work with fractions, there are some things that we're going to have to get used to being able to do. And one of those is converting mixed numbers to improper fractions. Even saying improper fraction sounds bad. Improper, it doesn't do things right. It's not right. So an improper fraction is a fraction that we don't want to use most of the time, but sometimes when we're using it for operations like multiplication or division, we need it, then we convert it right back to a mixed number. So what is a mixed number? A mixed number is a number that has a whole number and a fraction. That's a mixed number. Well, if I want to multiply 3.5 times another number times 1/4, let's say, if I want to do that, well, I'm not exactly sure how to do that because I don't know what to do with that 3, right? So let's convert this 3.5 to an improper fraction, and we use something called the Texas method. The Texas because our addition symbol looks like a T, and our X that we used to use for multiplication looks like an X, right? So you're going to multiply your whole number first. This is the first step. Then you add the numerator to that multiplication. So 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So this is 7, and you put the denominator back on the bottom, times 2. So 7 times 1/4 now. Now I can multiply this. So multiply straight across. Our rules for fractions: 7 times 1 is 7, and 2 times 4 is 8. I cannot simplify because 7 does not go into 8, and 8 is not divisible by 7, so we are done. There is no other number that goes into 7 and 8. We're done. Let's do one more. Let's say I want to multiply 6 5/8 times 1/10. Okay, so I'm going to use the Texas method to change this, the plus sign and the X for multiplication, which we don't do anymore because we're big boys and girls. So we use that dot, but for the Texas method, it's excused. So 6 times 8, is 48, plus 5. 8 plus 5 would be 53. So 53 over 8 times 1/10. This is 53 over 80. And man, that's a big number, but 53 is a prime number. And we know that no other number goes into a prime number but one in itself. And since 80 is not a multiple of 53, then this cannot be simplified. So that's my answer, 53/80. This is the Texas method, is the method we use to convert a mixed number to an improper fraction. Okay? Have a great day.